I realized that if I was going to be one of the best drone racing pilots, I needed to not just focus on the racing side of it, but also the psychology and the mental game behind it. So I have this whiteboard that I use to help me mentally focus before I go to a drone race. I write down on it essentially all the things that are in my control and also the things that are out of my control. So on the whiteboard I draw a circle, and on the inside of that circle is everything that is in my control. How much I train, sleep, eat, etc. And then on the outside of that circle I write down everything that is out of my control. How much the other pilots train, what they say about me. The idea is I can look at that, and that helps me block out all the external factors. So when I show up to race day, I can fly to 100% of my best abilities and not worry when there's other pilots talking trash or people are flying really well and maybe getting in my head. I can just focus on what I need to do.